But Neil Gabler has a piece over at BillMoyers.com. Bill Moyers has just a great website and some very thoughtful stuff there. And it's titled "Why Trump Can Lie and No One Seems to Care." And he writes, "There is, however, another and even more terrifying explanation as to why the truth doesn't seem to matter. It has less to do with Trump or our own proclivities to reshape reality than it has to do with infotainment, with the idea that a lot of information isn't primarily about education or even elevation where truth matters, but entertainment where it doesn't." And that's what it's all about. I mean, you're saying outrageous, untrue things. Doesn't matter. It's entertainment. So it gets repeated. And he calls this the Winchell effect. It's an interesting and thought-provoking piece. I commend to you. There was a poll done on what kind of health care plans people want here in the United States. They didn't put names. They didn't attach names to them. As we know, the positions of the three candidates right now are Bernie Sanders is calling for everybody to be able to buy into Medicare, or not even to be able to buy, to be covered by Medicare. Hillary Clinton is saying that the Affordable Care Act needs to be fine-tuned and improved. And Donald Trump is saying the Affordable Care Act needs to be repealed and replaced with something that he has not specified. So they asked people, well, what do you think about these three positions? But they didn't attach their names to them. And what they found was that 58 to 37%, this is all Americans, Republicans, Democrats, everybody, 58 to 37% they would like to see a single-payer health care system. In other words, Bernie's plan. Repealing the Affordable Care Act, 51 to 45% expressed support for that. That's interesting. And in terms of keeping it just as it is and maybe fine-tuning it, 48% said yes, 49% said no. So the only one of those three options that actually generated a lot of support, and it was almost 2-to-1, was Medicare for all. It's interesting. I wonder if they attached Bernie's name to that, how that would change the poll.
To watch more clips from our programs, hit the Watch More Videos button over here. And please be sure to hit the handy-dandy subscribe button so you'll always be up to date. Tag, you're it.